What's going on, boys and girls? Hey, this is not an infomercial, and I'm not getting paid for this, but I wanted to tell you about this new pan that I've got. And it's not new, but a few months ago, you try to get non-stick stuff. I got some non-stick stainless steel, not really non-stick, but it ends up, even though it's seasoned, it'll stick sometimes. And even though your cast iron, even though well seasoned one, will stick sometimes. So I'll try to buy some of these Teflon pots sometimes, and they end up just being a pain in the rear end. And so I bought this blue steel, this 11-inch blue diamond ceramic coated non-stick triple stainless steel chef's pan back in August. And the key to the pan is to put it on low heat to cook. So I'm just going to show you guys this quick video. And maybe you'll want to buy this pan. Now, you may not like to use it just because it's got some type of coating in it, and that leaches into the food. And I don't use it all the time, but when I do, I like for my food not to stick. So watch this and tell me how you like it. All right, guys, this is the blue steel. Again, you can see it's an 11-inch pan. Looks kind of like a wok. The key, guys, is to not let it go over medium. This right here is like a medium. I don't know, whatever here to here is, like a medium low. I've got a little bit of oil in there. Yeah, could I cook without it? But yeah, you can. But I always add a little bit of oil. You never want to spray these pans, and we're just gonna scramble some eggs in it. All right, so we've got two jumbo eggs, a little bit of egg whites in there, and we got some sharp cheddar cheese. And this is just the way I scramble my eggs, guys. Again, it's on that medium low. I usually put them in there, and I usually just let it set for about 3 minutes. I don't start stirring them immediately. I just let them set for 3 minutes. So we're going to give the timer 3 minutes, and we'll come right back. Alrighty, at the end of 3 minutes, you will notice that the eggs have set. You can move it around. See how that didn't stick right there, guys? Move that around. Move that around. And again, I'll let it go for about a minute now. All right, after it's been there for about a minute or so, you can really, keep on letting it set, and you can use it as an omelet, and you can flip it. But this is the area where I start going ahead and scrambling it, so it looks like your traditional scrambled eggs. You can go ahead and turn the heat off because it's heated up enough, and I like mine to be kind of soft scrambled, y'all. Okay, we're just going to plate it. Okay, plate it. Got your soft scrambled eggs, and look at that. Look at the pan, y'all. No sticking whatsoever. I always use a spatula like this. Always comes out good. And again, the key, in my opinion, is just keeping it, keeping the heat down, kind of medium low. Never let it go over medium. And again, you can cook it up to medium, and it still comes out this way. I've been very proud of this pan right here. This thing works real well. I love this, and I'll continue to use it. I've seen some bad reviews online about it too, but as far as my review is concerned, this right here is awesome. Made some nice scrambled eggs. You guys have a nice day. Peace.